And this video is going to be to illustrate how to put on the clip on the throwout bearing for a DSM. And I have already taken the clip and placed it in over the top and worked that clip around this little edge that you can see of the throwout bearing. That way this spring applies pressure. And then what you do is you take the bottom side as well, you work the rest of that wire right there around the edge, and then you will take that and as well, it's not a very good angle down there, but you would take that as well and place it through both holes to hold it in, and then you're ending up looking like this. The clip will be on around the edge, and then it'll also, this bottom end will be in. I have to put the camera down and do that.